HTBX. It's been a while since we've taken a look at this one. Looks like January 30th. $1.04. We put this one on a watch then. Where was that at then? Let's see. Yeah, you guys got right up to the top. That $1.07. This channel just couldn't break it. So that's what we're going to be looking at right here. Right now, if we come back into where I started this one. Okay. Back in December, looks like December 12th. Yeah, when it came back up here. So December 21st is when it first confirmed this channel. Came back up there, hit the top of that channel. Up there, we have right now $1.07, right up to the top of that channel, down to the moving averages, back up to the top of the channel, down to the moving averages, fell through there. And then we had the confirmation of this actual channel here that we see right here, here. You can get the idea. Going up and down right there. Pretty nice and steady. I mean, it is nice and steady there if I can get back to that.
Hey, did I go over it with you the last time you went over that?
Yes.
Okay. And what day was that?
January 30th. So,
oh, wow.
Bringing us back to looking at this channel, you guys came right back down here. Look at this. This channel down here at the bottom at 81 cents. You guys rolled your way up to that upper one again and then just pulled you guys back down to it. I would watch it right here. It's starting to bounce off that support level again at the 81. So if you're in it for a trade or whatnot, I would watch for this thing to trend back up inside this channel. I mean, it's been pretty consistent now since December. I mean, December 21st, right around that area. Been very consistent either way for the last 4 months. I would definitely put this one on a watch for a nice move off this 81 because it's starting to build up already now. You guys had the open today at 81. Currently at 83, hit the high 85. I mean, it's obviously no big moves, but if you have the patience here, I would definitely keep an eye on it. Not bad for a channel trade.
All right, so there's been a few different things since the last time we went over it. So I'll just go right to the March 31st. They had their fiscal year 2016 financial results. And just by pulling that up, I mean, that's something you guys would probably obviously want to pull up and read. This thing's extensive. If I read this whole thing right now, you'd probably want to choke me through the computer. All right, so this fiscal year 2016 financial highlights, I'll start with highlights. Research and development expenses decreased to approximately $9.3 million in 2016 from $16.7 million in 2015, a decrease of $7.4 million. The decrease is attributable to reductions in clinical trial costs, professional and consultant fees, personal related expenses, travel, and other costs offset by an increase in manufacturing expenses for Compact and additional lab supplies. General and administrative expenses decreased to $4.1 million in 2016 from $4.3 million in 2015, a decrease of $200,000. The decrease is attributed to the savings in personal related costs and reduced professional fees, offset by an increase in public company expenses included board related and public relation fees. So a net loss for 2016 was $13 million compared to a net loss of $21.1 million for 2015. Cash and cash equivalents totaled approximately $7.8 million at December 31st, 2016 compared to cash equivalents and short-term investments of $11.6 million at December 31st, 2015. So that's their highlight right there. Let's see. Revenue 3042. I don't know if this is in thousands. Yeah, it's in thousands. All right. So the revenue, I'm guessing if it's in thousands right here, it's 342,000 weighted average as opposed to zero revenue whatsoever in 2015. Obviously, a lot has happened, in that year for these guys. So let's see what else. I mean, the whole highlight. So there's so many different things going on with this company. The different trials with different, medications and you name it. So I'd highly recommend going and pulling that one up, the March 31st. There was a press release too on April 5th. It was Heat Biologics presents new preclinical data on ONCSEC collaboration at the American Association for Cancer Research annual meeting. So that press release from April 5th has the entire, they got a big presentation within it. Well, actually, no, it's not on this one. That's on their annual. All right, so this one right here, it says Heat Biologics Incorporated, a leader in the development of immunotherapies designed to activate a patient's immune system against cancer, announced that it presented new preclinical data from its collaboration with ONSEC Medical Incorporated, which is traded on NASDAQ with the ticker symbol ONCS, focused on evaluating the combination of Heat's immunotherapy platforms with intratumoral electroporation at the AACR annual meeting, and specific neoantigens and enhances anti-tumor response. Researchers combined EP of compact DNA expresses, and then there was like some terminology to it, melanoma. So I'm guessing it's melanoma. See, directly into the tumor with cell-based vaccination to explore the effects of intramural plus vaccination approach in the preclinical mouse model of melanoma. Results confirm that the combination approach led to increased antigen-specific CD8 T cells, enhanced anti-tumor response, and improved overall survival compared to individual treatments. This proof of principle study shows that there may be benefit in combining our vaccines with intratumoral approach to deliver the vaccine directly to the tumor to increase the coverage of the tumor-specific shared in neoantigen presentation, said Jeff Hutchins, PhD, Heat's Chief Scientific Officer and Senior Vice President of Preclinical Development. It opens up the possibility of pairing our impact and compact platform technologies with intratumoral approaches, which aligns with our strategy to advance new synergistic immuno-oncology combinations to improve patient outcomes. So that was the press release from April 5th. Goes on to tell you more about Heat Biologics Incorporated. If you want to keep reading that. If you want to continue doing more due diligence on this company as well, just go right over to that HTBX board, and you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating, and also with the filings, they just had there's a 10K on March 31st as well. So you go right to the filings, you'll see it right there for the March 31st. And if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting right over there on that HTBX board on Investors Hangout.
All right, 83. Nice channel trade here. 81 to $0.07 support at 81, resistance at 89 and 107. Like I said, if you draw the lines here, there is a nice channel trade. You guys are coming off that right here. Keep an eye on it. Hopefully you guys get another channel trade out of it. For now, that is my personal opinion. And obviously volume can change that really quick. HTBX, if you follow this one, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and check us out at investorshangout.com/live.